Today I'm going to show you how to gain more performance for free, even on every games, but in this case I want to do it on Assassin's Creed Valhalla. First you open the Nvidia control panel, and then in the program settings you have to find the Assassin's Creed Valhalla in here, and then click on the image sharpening and click on and set it as default value, maybe around 0.5 and 0.17 here, and click OK and hit apply. And open the game. Alright, then we go to the options. Here in the settings right here, resolution scale, set it to around 80 or 70. I must set it to 80. We know that if we change the resolution scale to below 100%, it makes the image more blurry. But as we changed the image sharpening settings before, it will cancel the blurry image. So in the graphic settings, you have to set the anti-aliasing into low and set the depth of field to low. I am not recommend you to use the settings ultra settings. You may have to choose between high and very high if your GPU may handle it. So yeah, thank you for watching.